Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable cookies or third-party cookies on the Google Chrome web browser, which may be necessary for a lot of websites to function properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Google Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, select third-party cookies. Select where it says allow third-party cookies. Make sure that is the selected option here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.